Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to test if an array contains an item. So we want to use assert.include or assert.notInclude. Now again, if you haven't been following along, we want to have this REPL.it project up. So here we have include versus not include. So here we have it saying assert.fail, which is going to fail 100% of the time, so we don't want that. So here we have winter months. And then we have a string of Jul, J-U-L. So winter months is associated with this variable here. The variable winter months is associated with an array in which we have December, January, February, and March. And now, so, does December, January, February, and March, this are the strings of D-E-C, J-A-N, F-E-B, and M-A-R. Is J-U-L in there? No, it's not. So what we want to say in here is we want to say not include. And then assert.fail are backend languages. Okay, so backend languages is up to here. PHP, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, and ASP. Well, we're doing backend languages right now, and so we know that JavaScript is a backend language. And so is within this array, is this element within there? Well, it is. And so what we want to say is include. And so that gives us the results. And so now if we were to run the server, we scroll down here, we see that the server is starting up. We're running the tests. As the test runs, we see that we keep getting more and more green check marks. So we're moving on through here. And now we have our arrays, our array include and not include has passed. And therefore that tells us that we're probably good to go. So we're going to take this URL and then take it back to our free code camp and paste it in here and say you've completed the challenge. Cool. We passed the test. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.